Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how we can set up the Raspberry Pi 5. So first we will need an imager. We are going to use RPi imager. You can use another imagers like Balena HR or so, but we're going to use the Raspberry Pi software, the RPi imager. So we're going to download it from the official website, and as you can see, the downloaded file is here, and we're going to quickly install it using the setup wizard. So I'll hit next and yeah, so you can see it is installed. It will quickly launch the app, and yeah, so we're going to now select the device. It is Raspberry Pi 5 for our case, and then we are going to choose the OS. It will be the 64-bit one. It is a recommended one. So I'll just quickly plug my SD card into laptop and select that. Now I'm going to edit the settings, and here I have to configure the host name and the username and password. Make sure to note the host name, username and password somewhere so it will be used later. If you lost this or you cannot remember after the setup is done, you have to reflash the SD card. So next we are going to configure the wireless LAN. So this will be the same network the laptop you are connected with. So I'm quickly going to set up the network, and then the wireless LAN country is right, and rest are correct. So in the services tab, I'm going to enable the SSH. It is an essential part, so don't skip this. Then in the options, I'll select all three. Okay, save and yes. So it will just start writing into the SD card. So as it is writing the image, we are going to install another software. So the software is VNC Viewer. It will be used for communicating with our Raspberry Pi, as we do not have any extra monitor or keyboard lying around, so we are going to use VNC server. So I'll just quickly download it from VNC's official website. So it is a free software, you can also download it. So I'll quickly just install it. Hit next and I'll accept and next. Yeah, next. Now let's install it. So it is completed installing it. You can also verify that. So you can see the writing process is still going on. So it will first write the whole image into our SD card, and then it will verify the image, and then it will eject the SD card, and pop-up message will come up on your screen saying that the writing is done. So we have our Raspberry Pi here and our flashed SD card. So I'm going to quickly insert the SD card into our SD card slot here. So yeah, and I'm going to demonstrate the rest on my laptop screen. So as the writing is done and the device is on, we're going to open the CMD and log in using SSH. So the command for SSH is SSH, then username @hostname. For hostname, you can use the device IP also, that works. So this was our username and hostname. Then I'll just write yes and then hit the password and hit enter. Yeah, so you can see we're inside the Raspberry Pi 5. So here we're going to set up the VNC server. For that we need to go to configurator using sudo raspi config. So here I'll go to interface options. Then from interface options, I'll select the VNC. Would you like to enable the VNC server? Yes. And it will enable the VNC server. Yeah, and you can just finish it. So the work is done here. So we are going to open the VNC Viewer. I'll just uncheck the box and use real VNC Viewer without signing in. Yeah, so we have to enter the host name here. The IP of your Raspberry Pi also works. Make sure to put only the host name, and you can verify the device using the MAC ID here. Let's continue and put the username Sarlab5 and the password. Okay, so now remember password. Yeah, okay. So yeah, this is the home screen of Raspberry Pi 5, as you can see. So we are connected to the Raspberry Pi 5 via the VNC viewer using our local area network. So you can also verify that here.